Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I will explain about a SOR model with floor plans and bug SOR and WOZ data. So here you can see that we have a 3D building of Tilburg province, where we have created a texture building model, in which building model we have different data. And this building has data of bug, SOR, bug and WOZ data. So let me start with the presentation. So here you can see, when I click on the building, there's different type of layers where I can hide the walls and the dark portion, where there are different levels of data. Here the floor plans are also differently controllable. Here also there is a data table. Here you can see, here you can see the tabular view. So let me just show you the level 0 floor. Here you can see, if I select a single contour, the contours are highlighted in red color. Also on the vice versa portion, you can select the contour and it also will show you in the tabular view. You can see there are 3 different tabs here: SOR, bug and WOZ data, whereas in the SOR portion, this is the floor portion has different data according to the name standard. The floor has naming, the floor the floor code, the VBO ID, the PAND ID and different type of data. Here also the areas are also included in this floor plans. And also you can see that every floor has its own height according to the real situation, so in a different way. And in the bug data set, you can have different type of data. These data are according to their address. In the bug option, you can find the address of address of each apartment, their location, their bug ID, their areas and others. And in the WOZ tab, you can have the property taxable areas, where you can see how much area is covering by the data and is it taxable or not. Also there are some options of seeing the walls and change its transparency according to your wish. So you can change the dark transparency, so you can see how the building heights are given here. Also in the SOR data, you can see the room number or room name, and also the room type. This deal code portion that represent that is the deal code portion is representing if the room is taxable or not. Also we have another feature that is called the content widget portion, where we have the reference that we use to build this data. Also in the content widget portion, we have the different references which we have used to build this data. Here for example, we have some images. Let me open it for you. Okay, you can see that these are 360 images that you can view on a new pop-up window, where you can rotate and move according to the image, and you can also zoom in and out on the images and look into the data. This is another room which have the 360 images. Our surveyors has taken these images and then we have placed that in actual location. Also, you can open it in another tab here. So another standpoint of view, that is the we also uploaded a point cloud as a reference. In the viewer, you can see that there is a point cloud of the building, which is also you can view from the pop-up window. There is another feature to our viewer that I want to show you, that is the pinpointing tool. So if you think that if you have some errors in the area, okay, I would like also show you another feature of our viewer, that we have a pinpointing feature, where you can set a pinpoint on the building or on the area where you think that there might be some errors. Also, I would like to show you a different feature of our building, that we have a pinpointing tool, where you see in the viewer about the building, and if you find any mismatch on the different floor and different ideas, so if you found any error on the in different ideas, you can place a pinpoint there for the for the concerns, to ensure that if there are any data missing here you can see some test pinpoints that we placed. So what you can do, you can just open the menu and select the pinpoints, and you can place it in the viewer. When in the viewer, you can select what kind of error it is. Is it on the floor plan, is it in the BGT or bag? Also, you can give it a title, and you can also give a comment about the pinpoint, that what kind of thing is going wrong. So when you place the pinpoint, you can see that here is the pinpoint, but I need to just turn off the building. So here you can see that the test pinpoint we have sent, that is on the building. That is placed on the building. So also what we are also in the tabular view of the pinpoints, you can see that there are different kind of pinpoint, and our pinpoint is so you can see here that I have placed a pinpoint. That pinpoint is also is registered into the database. So here from here you can zoom into the pinpoint. Also you can create a workflow that how this pinpoint need to be solved. This after solving the pinpoint, you can also upload a different data, like a PDF report that you have solved the pinpoint and how you have solved the pinpoint, and you can see the detailed data about how the pinpoint has been modified or how the pinpoint is there. So these are the main features of our apartment. What you can be benefited by this, you can check different kind of data, like the 3D models, the floor plans, and also those floor plans and the 3D models both have different kind of data integrated. In the normal viewing portion, we have different kind of data like bug, WOZ, and SOR in different style, but in our viewer you can get everything in a single place. Let me just turn off the pinpoints. So you can see that we have different kind of data in a same place. So every contour is can be highlighted and selected, and vice versa. And also you can view the different kind of reference source. Here you can see how the contours are drawn and others. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you next time.